and welcome back to my channel. So this is another wig install. I feel like wig installs are like taking over my channel, but it's okay, it's okay. So this video is sponsored by Tinashe Hair, and they sent to me a body wave 13x4 180 density. Well, it says 200, but it feels like 180, so I'm gonna be honest. But anyways, it's not so thin, but it doesn't really feel heavy like how I thought it would have been. Maybe that's just their 200 density. But yeah, 26-inch body wave, a 13x4 wig. I think this is HD lace, if I'm not lying. But anyways, they sent me some stocking cap, which I wasted one, so this is my second one. They sent me their card, you know, just the same thing. They sent me some combs. I've been getting a lot of combs. They sent me a baby hair comb clip to help with the install, lashes, and of course a bonnet. Honestly, I remember when I used to always want bonnets, and like I've been getting so many bonnets. It's a small accomplishment, but still feels big, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, let me just show you guys the wig. This is Samantha, and this is how she's looking. This is how the inside looks. As you can see, it's clearly HD lace, like, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, so even though I wish it had a little bit more stretch in it, but it's fine, like it's okay. This is how the inside of the wig is looking. Comes with the regular combs, all of that. I will be doing a style today because I don't want to do like the normal like install. I don't want to do the normal install and just curling off the wig. Like I want to actually style it, so I will be styling it today. But yeah, this is how the wig is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and add my lace tint to it, which is the even tinted lace spray with the blow dryer, and just do what I have to do. Okay, so y'all just sit back and grab a cup of wine, you know, some snack, and just watch me install this wig. yeah, so this is what I have so far, guys. I absolutely love the natural waves that this hair is giving me. Like, I don't know, I feel like I was about to use this curler to curl it, but I feel like I'm going to use a one curler just because I feel like the one curler will give me back almost the same wavy effect that it's giving me, and I like that. So yeah, I'm gonna actually do one curls with it, but I just wanted to show you guys like the natural curl that it has. Like, it's giving, no? So I kind of want the same wavy vibes because I don't want it to be curled up too much. Honestly, now that I have it on, I am feeling the 200 density that I thought I didn't see. It's thicker than 180 for sure. It's thicker than 180 for sure. Yeah. Oh, this hair is actually so soft. Anyways, I'm gonna start winding it because, like, what am I saying? Bye. pretty much the end of this video. I would like to thank Tinashe Hair for once again sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. The links to the hair will be in the description box, so if you guys would like to purchase this hair and recreate this hairstyle, then definitely do that. But yeah, I will leave the links down in the description box so you guys can enjoy and look fabulous. Thank you guys.